Okay, I don't know how to build a PC. We got a Core i7. Okay, that was a little nerve-wracking, but that's fine. I got RAM. Wrong way, dumbass. Terabyte gum. Okay, I don't know where to put it though, because there's 3 places. There's this one, and right here. It doesn't really matter, I guess. Okay, it's in. God damn. That literally it? Bruh. Oh fuck, okay, this is actually the hard part. Is this bitch. You don't have to spread it, but like I just want to make sure I have enough. Okay, that's good. So just put it in.
Be careful though.
Engineering be like.
Oh shit! You made a mistake already.
What? Yeah, I just grabbed a line. Okay, that. Plug this fan in, bro. Oh my fuck! I cut my nose, by the way. I don't know if you can tell.
Yeah, I can tell. Guessing you're struggling. This looks nice though.
Definitely nicer than the other one. Both pictured in the same fucking listing.
Don't forget the side panel.
You know, with the one with the pre-built, I bought the graphics card for it, but it didn't fit. So you know what I did? I just fucking tore off a piece of the case.
What?
Like I cut it with the pinzas, right? Like this part. Like I grabbed this part of the pinzas, right? And I wedged it, like I put it like in like this, and I wedged like this bar part like right here, and I just like squeezed as hard as I could, and like twisted it and shit. Just like mangled it, right? And then eventually one of them popped out, so I went like I popped it all the way out like this, and then I just like fucking
Fucking god!
I ripped it out because it didn't fit, and then it fit.
That was on that computer, right?
On that computer, yeah.
Shit.
Because I was really upset. I was like, fuck, I bought this graphics card for like $170. And I was like, fuck, and it doesn't fit, so I can't use it. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I just fucking like ripped it out. Oh wow, it's like flush. That's nice. Wow, that looks so nice. Get them to sit them up.